Hi, this is Mr. Urrego, and today we're going to solve for a variable. Right now we have a problem. The question is solve for s. Okay, that's my weird s, I'm sorry. And they give me an equation. They give me negative 3 equals t plus 5s. They want me to solve for s. Okay, so basically when I'm solving for a variable, I go backwards of what the order operations would be. Okay, normally the order operations, which we call it as PEMDAS. Alright, if you notice, my last steps are adding and subtracting. A stands for addition, S for subtraction. Previous to that, I have multiplication and division, and my first step is parentheses exponents. When we're solving for a variable, we kind of go backwards. So we start from the end. We start canceling anything that is adding or subtracting. So let's go. Where's my variable? Here's the variable, okay? That's the one that I want to leave by itself. So I said when we're solving for a variable, we go backwards on the order operation. So I want to cancel what is adding and subtracting first, okay? In this case, I had the 5s, what's adding is this t. So I got to cancel that t. So I do minus t, whatever I do on one side, I do on the other side, okay? So minus t on both sides. Now, negative 3 minus t, they're not like terms, so I got to write them both. So I have negative t minus 3. All right, that's my t. Sorry. Equals t minus t cancels out, and I bring down my 5s. Your last step, look, I was just addition and subtraction. We go next to multiplication and division. The 5 is multiplying the s. So to cancel, I do the opposite, which is divide. I divide by 5 on both sides. Okay, 5s on this side will cancel out, so I'll have negative t minus 3 over 5 equals s. And that will be my final answer. Remember, it doesn't matter if your variable's on the right or on the left. As long as it's by itself, that's your answer. So I can rewrite this by flipping the sides. Okay, that answer and this answer, they are the same. Okay, one more thing. This answer, I'm just showing you different ways of the answer. This, by flipping these two, the negative t minus 3, is still the same answer. So I can have that also as, instead of the negative 3 be at the end, I can have it at the beginning, minus t over 5. Okay, all of those are the same, because I'm not changing signs. I'm not changing the sign of the t and the 3 or the 5. I'm not changing the side of that. Okay, so all of them are the same answer. All right, let me show you another example. Let's do it here on the side. We have space. There we go. So let's work on the question is solve for h. Solve for h. That's the question. All right, make sure that you understand what's happening. And my problem is L, H, oh, did I put the H already? W, I want to write the same thing that I have it. W, H, okay? So what's the question? Solve for H. I need to leave the H by itself. Now, you check the equation. What's going on between the L, the W, and the H? Is there anything in between? Nothing. So technically, all of them are multiplying. Okay, what's the opposite of multiplication? Opposite of multiplication is division. All right, it's the same thing. Opposite of addition is subtraction, or opposite of subtraction is addition. Opposite of division is multiplication. So those two are opposite to each other. Right here, they're multiplying. L times W times H. I want to leave the H by itself, so I want to cancel the L and I want to cancel the W. Because they're multiplying, I divide. Oh, I divide. There you go. Erase. Beautiful. There we go. So when I cancel the L, I divide by L. I want to cancel W, I divide by W. Whatever I do on one side, I do in the other side. Okay, that's the rule. Whatever you do on one side, you do on the other side. Always. L cancel with L, W cancel with W. H There's nothing that I can do with these variables because all of them are different. So there's no reducing. H by itself, final answer. Again, you can flip the answer, but it still is the same thing. Alright? And that should be it. LW, everything is right. Excellent. So remember, a couple of things. Whatever you do on one side, you do on the other side. Over here, I divide by 5, divide by 5. So basically the same thing. And that's your answer. Thank you for watching.